Okay, today OPM naman tayo. Ikaw pa rin by Ted Ito. Nang mawalay ka sa aking puso, kung bakit hanap-hanap ka pa, ang iyong mukha'y lagi na lamang sa isipan ko. Bakit di magawa? Okay, that's our intro. And first verse, intro chords are A, first time, A, and then E, F minor, back to A, and then again A, so 0, 5, 9, back to A, and then first string, first brace, F minor, and then fifth, 12 string, 12, 14, 16, back to 14, 12, 10, 9, 7, and then A. And then fifth string, and then open, and then B minor 7, and then pick first string, and then fifth string, 7, 9, and E. Okay, one more time. A, open, first string, fifth string, ninth string, on the ninth fret, on the first string, and then E. Okay. Fourth string, F minor, and then fifth string, 12, 14, 16, back to 14, back to 12, 10, 9, 7, A, strum A, and then open, B minor 7, B minor 7, and then second string, back to A. Okay, that's our intro. then F minor. Ang paglimot mga nagdaan, di sadyang abanggan niya. B minor 7. Magmahal ay di matatakasan. A. Nice ko'y. So our first string chords and second string chords are E, A, E, F minor, C sharp minor, D, A, B minor 7, E, and then A. That's for the first and second string. Now let's go to chorus. Same for chorus, same chords. Okay? Nais ko'y makapilit hamon, nais ko'y mayakap, kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. So, same chords. Only except for the ikaw pa rin. Kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. So, one measure only for before for B minor 7, you transfer 1, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. So, for B only, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. For E, for B also, ibig ko. Okay? So, for the rest are 8 beats. Nang mawalay ka, so down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Nang mawalay ka sa aking puso, kita na hanap ka pa, sadyang abang. Okay, all 8 beats except for the second verse. Last B minor and E chords. For instrumental, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig. Fifth string and then A. 7 and then E. And then 10. 9, 7, 5, and then 8. Okay, one more time. Ikaw pa rin ang iniibig. And then repeat all. Back to verse 1. And then verse 2, and then chorus, and then after chorus, instrumental again, but this time it's different. It's almost the same as the intro. 5th string, and then 12, 14, 16, back to 14, back to 12, back to 10, and then 10 again, pull open hammer, and then 7, immediately 7, there's no 9, and then 8. And then one more time. One more time, and then you just repeat the chorus twice, the intro twice. So for B minor, after A and then open, and then B minor 7, and then 2, 5, 7, 9, and then 8. Well, I guess that's it. Just, and then after two intros, and then repeat chorus twice. Nais ko'y makapiling ka muli, nais kong mayakap kahit sa sandali, kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. Nais ko'y makapiling ka muli, and then wait, mayakap kahit sa sandali, kung pangarap may tatanggapin ko, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. Okay, that's it. Well, the intro, first verse, same chords, and the second verse, chorus, same chords, except for the B minor 7 is 1/2 a measure, and E7, E half a measure, and then instrumental, repeat all, and then the second time instrumental 2 is the chorus, except there is some changes, minor changes. Anyway, you can distinguish it. You have your tabs. Okay, I'll show you your tabs. The variation is right here for the second time. Okay, so okay, and anyway, you can just click the link in the description box. You see this tab. Okay, now for our next another OPM, Ikaw by Yang Constantino. Okay, let's no capo, F, A minor, D minor 7, B flat. Okay, so bawat puso ay ikaw, ang isip ay ikaw, di ko mahinto ang ng puso. Ikaw, pinapangarap ng harap ko, mga natanto, walang araw at ibig ang puso. Ikaw puso ay nalumbay ng kahit tagal. Okay, that's it. That will be our next lesson. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, those who haven't subscribed yet, and click Don't forget to click the closed caption for what do you call this, for subtitles. Okay.